Our 20s and 30s are the foundation of the rest of our lives. If we build them strong and stable now, our future can be brighter than ever. Our decisions will shape the person we become. But it's easy to lose track, or even worse, fall into bad habits that lead us down the wrong road. Maybe you're feeling lost and don't know where to start to build that bright future. Fear not. This video is here to help with the basics and helps you lay the best possible foundations for a solid, successful life. Health and self-care. Needless to say, health is the most important thing we have. Everything we do now will come back to us. If we have bad habits like eating junk food or smoking, all of that will hit you like a truck when you get older. Maybe you started smoking to fit in with your friends, but that phase is over. You're actually cooler if you don't smoke at all. And yes, that includes electronic cigarettes. I know it's hard to quit a bad habit just because some animated wolf on YouTube tells you to, but try to picture yourself 20 years from now. Your teeth are falling out early, you're constantly coughing, or you can't run at all because your breath cuts out too early. Not a nice picture, right? But it's the same with every bad habit. If you're constantly eating delivery food and never exercise, it doesn't lead anywhere good as well. Maybe today you feel unstoppable, believing this won't happen to you, but it's inevitable. One day, you will look back and regret your bad choices. Eating healthy surely won't taste as good as junk food, but the benefits of eating healthy goes far beyond the meal itself. They stay with you long term, giving you more energy, a stronger immune system, and a healthier body that can handle whatever life throws at you. And also by mixing the right ingredients, you can create meals that are actually really tasty. It's okay to treat yourself once a week too. And over time, you will get used to it, and more importantly, feel the benefits. Finance. This topic is huge, and it's hard to sum it all up in a few minutes. I tried my best for this video. People say, money doesn't buy happiness. But honestly, that's the oldest lie out there. The truth is, money does buy happiness, at least the kind that comes from stability, freedom, and opportunity. That's why you need to start being smart with your money while you're young. Depending on your age and work experience, your monthly income might vary, but if you're living paycheck to paycheck, the problem isn't just the cost of living, it's also how you manage it. Too often, we focus on other people's lives and their wealth, and we are envious of how they live. But what you actually see corresponds to the truth? Let's take two wolves for this example, Rick and Max, and give them both $50,000. Let's see how they are going to use them. As soon as Rick gets the money, he runs straight to the car dealership and buys the supercar he always wanted. Max, instead, he takes $10,000 to pay off an existing debt he had. He saves another $10,000 in an emergency fund in a high-interest account. Then he invests $25,000 in the S&P 500 and uses the remaining $5,000 for himself, because you should always spend a little on yourself to stay sane. Rick cruises around the city in his flashy car, and everyone's jealous, whispering that he must be rich. Meanwhile, Max rides his bicycle, just like he always did, and continues his normal life. And now, let's jump 10 years into the future and see what happened. Rick had to sell his car 5 years ago for $38,000, after tons of problems and expensive maintenance. Now he's left with maybe $30,000 total, counting repairs and gas. Max, on the other hand, had a good 10 years. First of all, he is debt-free. His $25,000 investment has grown to $54,000, and when a window broke at his house, he covered it easily with his emergency fund. So be smart with your money. Don't be like Rick. Skills. In your 20s and 30s, one of the best investments you can make is in yourself. Forget the idea that learning ends with school. Actually, from there, you will start to shape who you want to become. Whether it's mastering a language, learning to code, or improving your drawing skills, everything you build today can open doors tomorrow. And don't just focus on hard skills. Soft skills like problem solving, adaptability, and time management are just as important. Even hobbies can make you more creative and resourceful in unexpected ways. Here's the thing. Having fun while learning is the most important part. Don't learn something just because you heard it's good. Learn what you enjoy. Or it will end up that one day you quit. Focus on progress, not perfection. Start with something you're curious about and then keep building from there. And remember, investing in yourself is the one investment that never fails. Relationships. While you're busy improving your health, wealth, and skills, don't forget about your friends and family. The people you surround yourself with can make all the difference. They're the ones who lift you up or hold you back. Choose relationships that support your growth and let go of those that drain you, even if it feels hard. If someone doesn't support your plans, your dreams, or what you're building, they don't deserve to be there when you succeed. But don't confuse them with those who genuinely care about you and just want to warn you of the risk. These are the people who love you and don't want to see you fall. Because at the end of the day, a good life isn't just about money or success, it's about the people who share it with you. Conclusion. I have given you the basics. Now it's your turn to put in the work. You might feel inspired now, but that feeling can fade with time. If you want to stay motivated, you can always follow my channel for ongoing support. And that's it. See you in the next video.